This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, speed-sensitive volume controls, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.